We want 2 markets to be constructed in each and every division in Kampala. Here, my colleagues are here. We presented the budget framework of people. We asked, where is the money for the markets? They said there is no money, narrow resource envelope. That 100 million US dollars is not even credited on the accounts of KCCA. It's not even channeled through KCCA. It's money wired from Ministry of Finance to different accounts, and now they are telling you the land is there. It is the cartel responsible for this. And don't be gullible to pander. Don't be that gullible to pander to that kind of crap of this cartel. Baba Timba Pura. Shine the torch on that transaction if you are helping Ugandans. I challenge any media house, starting with a Newvision. Shine a torch on that scandal if you are helping Ugandans. Don't want them. And Newvision. Shine a torch if you are so serious about Ugandans. Shine a torch on that scandal. Is it worth 10 million US dollar per acre? 380 billion cashing in on the crisis of the street vendors. You have brutalized them, you have imprisoned them, you have confiscated their merchandise. Poor people are just crying in the streets. Now somebody is cashing on that crisis that we have bought for you land, when actually they are using it as a conduit to siphon off our resources. We come out and stand in their face. We passed a resolution here in council and said that money should be channeled to KCCA for purposes of constructing the markets. Don't buy that land. Now they are there struggling. How do we deal with this? Instead of focusing on that particular issue,